I love this idea of the egg roll bowl that I've been seeing. So of course I wanted to do my own version. I'm using the Blackstone and I'm actually using a pound of ground turkey instead of using ground pork. It's leaner, it's got less fat, and it's a great source of protein. Chopping it all up and adding a little bit of sesame oil as well as some onions on the side. Start cooking those out with garlic and a bunch of ginger. I love ginger in this. I've shredded up a bunch of carrots, so those go up next. And you can use any type of cabbage. I have used a few different variations. Napa cabbage seems to be my favorite for this recipe. Mixing that all together with a little bit of extra sesame oil and making sure that everything is all cooked out and the flavors are coming together. If you want to add a little bit of pepper, I can recommend that, but because we're also going to add soy sauce, I don't add any other salt. That just brings everything together. I'm going to close the lid to let it all cook out and let those veggies soften up. Now, every time I've ever had an egg roll, inside is always these bean sprouts, but I never see them in the recipes of the egg roll bowl version. I'm adding it in and I absolutely love it. It is such a great extra texture and crunch, but you only need to cook it for about 2 minutes at the end. I'm finishing it off with sesame seeds and a bit of green onion. So good.